Hello, and welcome to new Drupal website basic training. In today's segment, we're going to cover how to add a testimonial. So same as always, first things first, come right over here to add content, and we'll scroll down the list until we find testimonial. Okay, so same as with all the other content we've added, we'll just go down the list of fields and work our way down. First things first is going to be name. So this will be the name of the person that you want displayed. Then we have business title, which will be whatever their title is, CEO, project manager, whatever the title is. And then the name of the business. Okay, and then the name of the business, whatever their company is. And as we scroll down, the next field is going to be a snippet. Now, essentially, this is the same body field that we've covered in other trainings and other videos, but this one is specifically for a snippet, meaning if you've got a testimonial that's about a paragraph, 5 or 6 sentences, then you only want to take probably the first 1 or 2 sentences and make that your snippet. So I've got some default text here. We've got, looks like 5 different paragraphs. So in this case, we're going to take just the first 2 and we're going to make that our snippet. Paste as plain text, and there's our snippet. So now that our snippet's in there, we'll scroll down and we're going to end up with another section. And this one's actually called body, so that should be a little bit former. And in this one, what you want to do is you want to take that same text that you were just working with, and in this case, you actually want to copy and paste all of it, including the section that you put in the snippet before. And the reason for that is that when they click on the snippet, most of the time there will be a read more option, and when they click read more, that will take them to the full testimonial, which will show them the body instead of the snippet, so that they can read the full content. And after you've got your person's name, business title, and business name entered, the snippet and the body, then we'll get down to those blocks on the left-hand side. So, as with some of the previous videos and items, a testimonial is almost always going to be displayed in a view, meaning that the menu settings are not really useful in this scenario because it already has a specific place on the website to live. So you can skip that one. Revision information. This is if you've got multiple people working on the same one. You can create a new revision and leave them a little message to indicate the work that you've done. Xml Sitemap, not useful for this. You can skip that one. URL path settings. As with other pieces of content, this is up to you because it's going to generate automatically based on this information at the top. But if you want to have it be something specific, you can uncheck the box and put in whatever you want the URL alias to be. Authoring information. This is most likely going to be hidden by default since they want to focus on the testimonial and who wrote that rather than who posted the testimonial. So this can be changed if you want, but most likely it will not be displayed. And the author does have to be a registered user on the site. So that's the only thing you got to watch for on that. And then authored on can be changed as long as you follow this format laid out here. And the last box is our publishing options. And by default, they will be published and promoted to the front page. So if you skip all these boxes after entering your information and just hit save, it's immediately going to post in the testimonials section. So if we hit save, it'll take you out and you can see the testimonial that you just created. And there's our information, title, snippet, and the full testimonial. And then if you want to see it on the site, we can go to the testimonials page, and now we have our Mr. Business testimonial that we just created in addition to an earlier one from Mr. Business. And if you need to edit anything in this section, you'll see this is the view I was talking about, and you cannot actually edit up here the way you would a normal non-view piece of content. So if you need to make changes to the actual testimonial, then you'll have to go back to the node itself, the actual testimonial, and edit from here. Once you've gone in and made your adjustments, then you can just go down to the bottom, click save, and you're all set. That concludes this segment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.